Hi, in this video I will show you how to request money on the PayPal. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to request money from someone on the PayPal, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to search for the paypal.com, and once you will search for it, now you have to log into your account and you will see screen like this. After that, you will see these options here. Simply you have to click on the request. Once you will click on the request, you will see a page like this. Here you have to enter the email name or the mobile number. So I enter email, random email, to give you an example. And here you will see request from test@mail.com. Tap on it, and after that you have to click on the next. And here you have to enter the amount you want to request from other person. And now scroll down. Also you can add a note and click on the request now. So once you will do it, your request to the person will be sent. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.